How to hide messages on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the three lines. Now scroll down to the bottom and type on account types and tools. Now select switch to professional account and tap on continue. Now select your category and tap on done. Now tap on next. Now go back to your home page. Now at the top right corner, tap on the message icon. Now keep holding the chat you want to hide and tap on move to general. So by following this simple step, you can hide your Instagram chat. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.